down the ramp there.
Clutch.
But get this here first, so that it starts to put that down.
सही रहेगा सेफ?
हाँ
सेफ रहेगा, सही है।
सेफ है ना।
चलो निकाल दिया।
कौन सा पाइपलाइन करना है?
पीछे है, पीछे 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 छोड़ दो अपना हाथ। ये इधर जाएगा, ये इधर जाएगा। स्टीयरिंग रैक everything off now. Mounting. ठीक है, मैं जाना।
हाँ वो सिंगल ना करे, वो का पैनिक करे।
This is old clutch. This is new one.
Yeah, we'll check the linkage and see all the service parts.
The bearing done. Gearbox on now. Is new clutch.
तो 3 नट मैंने हाथ से लगाया, टाइट नहीं किया।
The 3 nuts wheel, everything full back, link, everything. That also.
That's the one, yeah. I need all the fuel filters and engine oil as well. Gas oil, man oil filter, man fuel filter.
Gearbox on. Steering rack fitting is right. This clutch down now. Vr6 का क्लच डन।
ठीक है, तुमने शादी कर ली है, ये हमको भी पता है।
इसका क्लच इज डन क्लच। It's finished now in complete job. Clutch down now. Clutch down. ओके वेट करो कपड़ा
You got the car, he goes on, bro. Once you have to get once if we much more,
I said one. I didn't say nothing to him. Backing him up. Guess what? You know that was about whose car was it, man?